Hello everyone, my name is Pailumba and I am an integrated PhD student at Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. So today I am here to discuss about the important topics of biology which you must study to foster in IIT JAM Biotechnology and score a very good rank. So let's start with the video. So these topics I have shortlisted based on the previous 5 years question papers. And I have figured it out that most of the questions are from biology, which consist of biochemistry. Like in 2023, there were 5 questions from biochemistry. In 2022, there were 5 questions of biochemistry. So you can see that in like every year, they used to ask more number of questions from biochemistry. So it should be your first priority order. So do revise biochemistry first and followed by molecular biology. See, every year questions are asked from molecular biology. So let's discuss on what type of questions are asked in biochemistry. So like in metabolism, how many ATPs are produced in glycolysis, how many NADH are produced, this type of questions. And like they'll give a peptide sequence and you have to find the number of peptide bonds or number of fragments formed by the enzyme. This type of questions they usually ask. And they can also ask the charge on the peptide on this particular pH, like say 7, 3, 2, or whatever. And in the molecular biology, they used to ask the enzyme type questions like which enzyme is important for DNA repair and all those things. Along with that, in molecular biology, sometimes they give questions on like which RNA is formed by which enzyme, like tRNA is formed by which RNA polymerase, like these type of questions. And in cell biology, they usually ask questions from cell cycle, like G1 phase, but which events are happening and all those things. Plus, they they usually ask a question from signaling, like G G signaling and all, and GPCR signaling. So in microbiology, there is a continuous trend. They used to ask question from viruses or that growth rate, doubling time. These topics are more important. And in RDT and techniques, they used to ask from gel electrophoresis, NMR, and also in RDT, they were asking continuously about the enzymes, like which enzymes are isoschizomeres, all those enzymes, endonucleases and all. In animal physiology, this time they ask question from double circulation and that breathing exchange of carbon dioxide in the blood and all. Yeah, ecology, it is a small topic, but don't ignore it because like from the past 2 years, they are asking high number of questions from ecology. So do prepare ecology. It's a very small topic, but continue like carries a like 4 or 5 marks. So matters a lot. In knowledge, they ask 3 questions like knowledge MHC1, CD plus, and all those things they used to ask. Innate immunity. So in genetics, they ask like what type of children in F1 generation are formed and which type of gametes can be possible. All those things. In evolution, there usually must a question from Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. And in plant physiology, they asked about the hormones like ethylene, but what are their roles and this type of things. So hope you find this video helpful. So I'll highly suggest you first whatever topics you have studied, revise them well, and then practice previous year questions. The best strategy to revise is to solve questions. So solve questions wherever you are stucking, go back to your notes and then revise again. Practice more and more. And whenever you are practicing now, make short notes, like 1 page notes. So revise those 1 page notes many times. So you'll be able to do multiple revisions. Multiple revisions are really helpful because sometimes in the exam we know the things but we forget the formula or we forget some link. So it will hinder to solve the question well. So revise well. In the last month, revision and previous year question practice is the best strategy. So wishing you the luck. Goodbye.